Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently chopped off my hair and I've got a few hairstyles for you if you're in a rush. Starting with some dry shampoo. This is perfect for those dirty hair days when you don't have time to shower but you still need a little bit of freshness and some volume. So I'm going to now part my hair, make sure I don't have any tangles. This is a really crucial step, especially if you're going to be straightening or curling your hair. Today I'm going to be using this curling iron, which is a complete dinosaur. I think I got this bad boy about 3 years ago, but they're not hard to find. This was an inch barrel, so I recommend somewhere around the same thickness as far as the barrel goes, so about an inch to an inch and a half, nothing bigger than that. Since we do have short hair, we want to make sure that we have that curl, which allows us to wrap our hair around the barrel a couple of times. Now, so you guys notice I am going in one direction, and that is going away from my face. Now I'm going to be splitting that top section into two. This just makes it a lot easier for you to continue the curl process. So taking small pieces again, wrapping it around twice, but leaving about a half an inch to an inch gap from the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a little bit straighter at the bottom. It's such like a cool technique. It's really popular right now. And before you run your fingers through your hair, make sure your hair is cool so you don't take any of those curls out. Next up, I'm going to be setting my curls using a flexible hold hairspray. This one smells really good, and I'm able to toss my hair about without worrying that my curls are going to fall out. Next up, I'm going to be taking this rat tail comb. You can use a pencil or anything sharp, just not a knife, and part the section over to the side, giving you kind of like a little sexy Donald Trump, but without like all the hate. If only he would do the curl technique, he would look so much better. Now the next style, I'm going to start at my eyebrows and pull my hair back, secure it with an elastic band. You can use clear, or like the one I'm using today is a brunette color. So many people have asked me about this particular hairstyle, and it's literally starting at the eyebrow is the trick. Next up, we're going to be doing a classic top knot, and my trick is to use 2 fingers at the front of your ponytail, wrapping the hair around it and then securing it with a bobby pin. Now, if you don't want it to be this tight, this kind of reminds me of like samurai warriors, but still really flipping cute. You can definitely use a different version of this, which is teasing your little ponytail and then loosely wrapping it around that elastic band, and then using a couple of bobby pins to secure it and make sure that it's nice and fluffy. Either way, I think they're both super cute. And next up, we are going to be creating 2 buns, or space buns. They have so many different names, but all you need to do is part your hair down the middle and then take your hair from the top of your ear to the top of your head, secure it with an elastic band, and repeat this process on the opposite end. So you're going to have like 2 little pigtails on the top, and then we are going to do that wrap method again. So you're going to wrap it around and then secure it with a bobby pin, and then repeat the process on the other side. Now I do have short hair, so little pieces were starting to stick up, and all you have to do is add another bobby pin or some hairspray, and then for an added touch, I use these cute little hairpins and place them at the front of each bun. Now these ones came in a care package, but I know Forever 21 has tons of them, like little flower clips and such, so really easy hairstyle that are super cute. So hopefully this will help you guys out when you are in a rush, because the Lord knows I am always in a rush. Sometimes I don't even brush my damn teeth. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!